This is a dog nail grinder that was sent to me by Yabife. I hope I'm saying that right. This is everything that you get in package. It's really nice. So you get an actual pair of nail clippers in case you want to do that, even just to clip off the extra nails or whatever before you start grinding. It comes with a spare grinder as well, which is going to roll away on me. And then you also have a USB-C charging cable. So if you lose this, whatever, it's not a proprietary charger, so you can just use whatever USB-C cable that you have. You have this little brush to brush off the grinder when you're done, and it's super easy to use. So this is the lid, you just take it off. This is the plastic piece over top of the grinder itself. You can just kind of move that. Sorry, we got the light on here, let's turn that off. Yes, it has a light. So this plastic piece comes off, and if you want to replace this, you just push this up and it comes out, and then you put the new one in when you're ready. And then you just click this back on, and it has 3 different speeds. To power it on, you press and hold the power button. The first speed is 6,400 RPMs, the second speed is 8,400, and then the last one is 10,000. This is how loud it is on the 3 different speeds. And then to turn it off again, you just hold down the power for a few seconds. And then it has a little light button over here, really easy to turn off and on. And you can use this to kind of see the nails a little bit better. So you can exactly see, how much of the nail you've grinded down. So really easy to use, pretty awesome product. It's nice that it comes with all of this. As for usage, unfortunately, about a year ago, I lost my sweet boy to cancer. So I can't really show you guys how this product works on him, but I did purchase another dog nail grinder when I did have him. And so to honor him kind of in this video a little bit, I'm gonna show you a clip of how he reacted to using that nail grinder. By looking at this one, it looks very similar to that one. So this is what it looks like. He's very sensitive with his paws. I've tried to in the past kind of massage his paws a little bit to kind of get him used to his nails being touched. He had a bit of a traumatic event when we went to take him somewhere to get his nails clipped. And so ever since then, he's just very sensitive about anyone really touching his nails. So here's what it looks like. I'm using the nail grinder on him. He definitely doesn't love it, but he's definitely more open to it than he would be using nail clippers. So if you have a dog that doesn't really like getting their nails touched or nails clipped, then a nail grinder is something that is way better. I'm a lot more comfortable using it because I feel like with nail clippers, I'm just gonna hurt him, and with the nail grinder, you just gotta be careful that you're not constantly grinding their nails. You wanna make sure that you're giving it some time for the nails to cool off. So while you're grinding, like each nail that you're grinding, maybe give it a couple seconds every few seconds to let their nails cool off so they don't kind of heat up too much, because that can hurt them as well. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.